Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for you. If you're in the market for the best ceiling paint sprayer, look no further. We're talking about the VONFORN paint sprayer. And in this video, we're going to give you all the details you need to know about this fantastic tool. Now, before we dive into the features and performance, let's take a quick look at the VONFORN paint sprayer itself. This is the VONFORN paint sprayer, a 700W HVLP spray gun that comes with a range of features that make it stand out from the competition. It's designed to make your painting projects a breeze, whether you're tackling ceilings, walls, furniture, or even outdoor surfaces like fences. One of the things that sets this sprayer apart is its incredible versatility. It comes equipped with 4 different nozzle sizes that are perfect for various painting projects. So whether you're working on intricate details or covering large areas, this sprayer has you covered. But that's not all. The VONFORN paint sprayer can also be adjusted to 3 different spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular. This means you can adapt it to a wide range of application scenarios, making it incredibly versatile for any project you have in mind. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This sprayer comes with unique blowing and cleaning functions. Before you start spraying, you can use the dust blowing joint to clear away any dust or debris on the surface, ensuring a smoother finish. And after you're done, the cleaning connector helps you clean the residual paint inside the pipe, making cleanup a breeze. The VONFORN paint sprayer is designed with ease of use in mind. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily assemble it without any tools, thanks to the user-friendly design. Plus, it comes with a detailed user manual to guide you through the setup process. When it comes to control, this sprayer allows you to adjust the paint output by simply turning the flow control knob. This means you can tailor the paint flow to suit your specific project, achieving better results and avoiding paint waste. Now, let's talk about what you'll get with your purchase. The package includes the VONFORN paint sprayer, 4 different size nozzles, 5 paint filters, a viscosity cup, a nozzle cleaning needle, a cleaning brush, a dust blowing joint, a cleaning connector, a pot lid, and a user manual. It's a complete package that ensures you have everything you need to get started. Before we wrap things up, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the VONFORN paint sprayer. It has received rave reviews, with customers praising its lightweight design, ease of use, value for money, and how easy it is to clean. So, there you have it, folks. The VONFORN paint sprayer is undoubtedly one of the best ceiling paint sprayers on the market today. With its versatility, unique functions, and ease of use, it's a tool that can make your painting projects a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. If you're ready to take your painting game to the next level, be sure to check out the VONFORN paint sprayer. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you've used this sprayer before or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy painting! This is Product Critique, signing off. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting product reviews.